So I think I've gone on for long enough. I think I've given you a good idea of how easy it is to set up Shopify. There's settings and things where you can go in and change your shipping rates and go through and do all that sort of thing to make sure they're going to the right places, and the weights and all that sort of stuff can get a little bit funkier. Taxes as well. If you're VAT registered like me, you need to do it to certain areas, and you can go through all your different countries and put the VAT rates in. All sorts of things you can do, all sorts of tinkering with your channels. You can sell on Instagram. I don't know if you noticed in there that I got verified for Instagram. I was doing the video, which is another cool place. So I could go to my Instagram and tag products, and then people could buy via the tag products. I'll do many videos for things like this as and when. What I'll do is I'll put up it all in a training course, and I'll add lessons as you need them. So come to my training course. Links will be on the page and in the description. If you sign up for Shopify, I get a little bit of commission, pnuk.co/Shopify. If you sign up with that link, then I do get a little bit of commission for sending you away. So this was a bit of a fly through, but hopefully I gave you enough information to show you that Shopify is just a really easy platform to manage your shopping, your e-commerce, to sell your products and services and downloads and all sorts. And they manage the tech. You don't have to worry about updating it. You don't have to worry about it falling over or crashing, or like my website going slow. So hopefully that gave you some information, and I hope I helped. If you've got this far and you haven't subscribed, it would be great if you subscribed. I'll be doing all sorts of new videos like this coming out soon. Thanks for sticking with us. I hope that helped. See you soon. Cheers, guys.